Hello, it's Big Chads, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to take a look at a selection from my fourth book, Trading Journal, Trading Wisdom Part 2, why you should use a trading journal, how to fill one out, sample trading ideas, all that good stuff, and emotional management, which is what we're going to talk about today. This is published in 2025. You can get it on Amazon, and I'm making the entire book free in the Trading Encyclopedia. So in that book, we're going to take a look at the selection on emotional management. And I've done these other parts of it in individual videos, but I wanted to summarize. Managing your emotions is a challenging affair. Here are 3 simple rules, right? The first rule is sell when you're excited. When you're excited, it's because things have worked out. You had a good idea. You thought you bought a bottom, or you thought the price was going to, the breakout was valid. You bought the breakout, and now you're doing really well. And the gains in front of you, they feel powerful. They're palpable. They feel real. You have this adrenaline rush. So rather than judging this emotion, oh, I can't believe I'm feeling this way, just be aware of it and use that motion, that moment to trim profit. It's an opportunity to take profit, to pay yourself for a good idea, and to reduce the size of your risk. And at a very minimum, you can at least move your stop loss into profit. And that's a way you can protect some of the gains, the hard-fought gains. Now, opposite of that is when you're really scared. Well, the price has moved really quickly. And we just had something like this recently with the Bitcoin drop to 60K, from 90K. And when you're scared, there's a good chance there's just been some volatility. There's just been the market's under pressure. And it seemed great a little while ago. Everything was great. And, you would wish you had bought more. But now the price dropped back to a major support level. And even though it's at a major support level, everyone else is freaking out. And that panic, that fear, it's contagious. And so given that there's panic and fear, maybe I should look a little bit closer at the price structure. And the fact that you're scared means there might be opportunity, right? That fear, there might be some opportunity lurking. So take a look. Is the price at a major support level? Can you define your risk? Buy when you're scared. And do nothing, of course, when you're bored. Maybe the most important one, maybe the number one killer of a bankroll is people who overtrade. They trade for excitement. And what you want to do is focus on the fact that you need to trade with opportunity, right? You don't want to be trading just because you have fresh powder. It's really hard. I've got all this. I just sold another position. I feel like I should immediately play something else. No, be picky. Be selective with your entries. That way you're going to have a better chance of protecting and growing your trading capital. So when you're about to open up a new trade, be aware of your emotions and ask yourself, are you feeding your need for action, or are you reacting to a real opportunity? So sell when you're excited, buy when you're scared, and do nothing when you are bored. This is part of the Trading Journal. My fourth book, available on Amazon. This is part of the emotional management section for the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Big Chads out.